sports cards. Beautiful downtown Marion, Illinois. And we are opening up the final box of our draft break.
And playing Pull My Finger.
It's late.
Everybody loses. That's not a game anybody wins.
Come on, sticker. There we go. Wow. Oh, this break is it 0910?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ultimate Collection Hockey. 1-pack deal. What are we looking for?
You are looking for
Jonathan
tons of great
Taves.
stuff.
Pat Kane,
Ryan Braun.
Matt
No,
Duchesne.
Ryan Braun. Yeah, Duchesne would be cool. Patch would be nice.
Who's on the back?
Oh, that's a hit. We can't look at the back first. It's like, we got a Patrick Marleau to
I
$3.99.
like that wine.
Rookie of Andreas Thurston.
Thurston. Did he play for the Cardinals?
$3.99.
That's Thurston. Funky.
Oh, the auto looks somewhat familiar. Oh, not bad. Marc-Andre Fleury, goalie for the Penguins, autograph. Pretty cool. Not numbered, so I guess it's the base version. And I know that guy.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, please be on. Oh, that's still sweet though.
Yeah. Jumbo jersey of the great one, number 35.
Michael Jordan.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
Oh, dude, that's nice.
It's
Yeah.
Stefanski.
And it will be autographed too, Aaron.
That'd be sweet. Yeah.
Wow.
So
Cool. No, very solid. Got to see some hockey from Fox Sports Cards. So.
Yeah, it should